Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share a tool that has completely changed how I clean. This is the Prasky electric spin scrubber. Now, oftentimes, especially when I'm scrubbing my shower or bathtub, I just feel like it takes forever and I am not getting the job done as well as I would like. What I like about this scrubber is that it really does all the work. All I have to do is spray my cleaning solution, turn on the scrubber, and let it clean in 10 minutes, what I struggle to do in an hour. My favorite feature is the different heads. The angled scrub head makes it so easy to clean corners that normal brush heads just really can't get into. And it also has 10 attachments total, including ones that scrub the floor, which is really useful, especially if you have pets or kids. It has a long handle that can be taken off to make it a short handheld, depending on what I'm cleaning, which I find also very useful. This is just one of those tools that is very useful. It makes cleaning so much easier that now I can't really imagine not having it. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.